Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. Also, because I just wanted to draw your attention to those grid lines, I've applied them before I've started the recording to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. So now all we have to do is to enter the settings. They should be in this right upper corner, this gear icon. So let's tap on it. And now scroll down to the very bottom to find reset. Then let's tap on reset. And as you can see, actually nothing happened. I mean, we did not go back to the camera or whatever. So let's go back manually. And as you can see, the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.